we're going to see a new type of video in our Indian version of Mr. Beast. We inspired a lot from the Mr. Beast channel from the English, and main thing, don't mistaken our English because we are poor in English actually. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
What about you?
Yeah, me too.
Only yeah, okay, me too, okay. Directly we are getting into the video, and today's video we are going to see a different type of challenge, that is the last to stop the laughing actually with the sound also, okay?
Okay.
Do it like that?
Okay.
No. Smile. Laughing. Like that everyone should laugh, and last to stop the laugh they are going to get a wonderful prize. That the end of the video you coming to know that one, okay?
Okay.
Everyone are ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
Another level acting.
Come on. Hey.
Oh, super.
Actually they are laughing for more than like 30 minutes. They are feeling very bad about their stomach. How you are feeling? How you are feeling?
I'm getting pain injured.
How you are feeling? What? Actually, they are laughing for quite a long time. So we are going to give them any offer. Any offers do you want? No, nothing laughing. Water.
I'm talking.
Emergency purpose. We have to give some water for them. For you also water. Okay. You are also participating in the challenge? No, you can. Only laughing challenge. Come on. English. Hey. They are asking for water, so you have to do continuous push-ups. Who going to give up? They doesn't going to get water. Okay. Laughing. Okay. With laughing you have to do.
Okay, then I will try.
What?
Okay,
Laughing.
No, okay.
1, 2, 3. Laughing.
Sorry, buddy.
Yeah, you want boy? No. Why? Simply laughing is enough. Okay, laugh.
I am out.
You also. Okay, Bhaiya, leave it. Competitors are finished. Competitors.
Please give water.
Laughing.
Please give water. Thank you.
But you have to laugh, and then
When I drink it,
you can.
It will come into your eye.
Not so. I think he is the first boy going to leave. I think so. What you are thinking? You want to leave?
Leave.
Why? Stomach paining? Okay. Andru. சிரிக்க வேணாம். Okay. Only okay. You too? No give up.
Okay.
One day also you will laugh.
Yes, I try to laugh one day.
Okay, but laugh.
Oh, okay, I am doing now.
You?
I never give up.
Never give up.
Yeah.
Yeah, by seeing his belly, we can come to know that one.
Here this is 6 pack.
Here,
Yeah.
small belly.
No, the total laugh is coming from the belly only.
What is that sound, boy? Actually, they are laughing more than, I think so, 1.5 hours, huh? I think so, mostly around 1.5 hours, but still they are awake. Little bit of sweat, I think so. When you are going to give up? Never give up. You want the prize? Compulsory?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Keep laughing. For me also no issues. Please, anyone give up now, please. Can you give up? No. Okay, I want to make you very harder. Move. Stand straight. Oh, that is offensive. No, that one is not allowed. No. That's true. Actually, any one of them can sit for 10 minutes in the bean bag. Okay? For that, you have to do some dare. Okay? The dare is going to be the laughing. Yeah. The dare is going to be who's going to do this? What is called? Push-up? Not push-up. Squat push-up. Who's going to do a lot? They're going to win. Okay? Who's going to quit? He's going to stand and laugh. Okay? Laugh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Laughing. It doesn't seem like laughing, Daddy.
My school time also did not do, bro.
It's all fate. Madan, please laugh. Don't give sound. He's giving sound like kich.
He is crying, not laughing.
Actually, they are doing very marvelous jobs. What? There's no sound. He's having a wonderful technique of laughing. It seems like crying only, not like laughing. Hey, please, anyone give up in this also, da? You give up, ah? This bigger one is guy doing the
Before I got now, so one time he asked me.
laughing. Laughing.
Take it back.
Laughing.
This much of laughing he did.
He is a miracle guy who is like 100 pounds, still he's doing
100.
not pound, 100 kg. Okay. There is laughing.
Just 90.
There is laughing.
Just 90.
Come on. Hey. Please. Yeah, you can also get that one. No.
No, bhai.
No cheating. Yo, please laugh, yeah. You are giving crying, I think so.
No, I'm laughing. Yeah, that's my tone, Ra.
Okay, 10 minutes is over. Please stand up.
Help me.
I can't help. No. Otherwise, he will be going to be the winner. Okay, va?
No.
Give up. What about you?
He is not laughing, bro. He's cheating. This is not a laughing.
Whatever it may be, it may be a good technique. What about you?
That means I will go after 24 hours.
Yeah, you can.
No.
You can.
I can't see. I
See,
cannot
you all are sweating. You all are sweating a lot. Anyone want to give up?
No.
No. What about you?
No.
Never give up.
Never.
That's good. Still you want to laugh, It seems like they are laughing more than 2 hours and still they want to go continue. 2 hours it's completed. Still 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 10 hours without food. Without food. Want food, na? Then you want to give up? Come on. I'm going to make another dare with you.
Okay.
Who going to stand like this for longer period? They're going to get a 10 minutes break without laughing. Okay. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3. Sound. Hey, friend. Hey, no touching. Still, come on. Come on. Hey, these both are very good competitors. Still, they are fighting in this also. Please give up. Hey, this fatty boy. How? Marvelous physique, but you? See, even though he is 100, still he is fit. But you are under 80, still you are not able to do. Where is the sound? Where is the laughing sound? He can get the 10 minutes rest. Congratulations.
Thank you.
But you have to.
Have to continue. It's better than that. But you have to give support to me.
Bro, it seems like you are taking breath. It seems like very dangerous challenge, I think so. Come on. Enna, 10 minutes is over. Okay, start laughing. Whenever, whatever it may be, he is continuing, he is laughing. Marvelous creature. What about you? Still you want to continue?
Give 2 minutes.
Oh, no issues. You can go. But I think so, the full shirt will be get sweater.
I will try my best.
Yeah, no issues. Come on. It seems like not laughing. It seems like something fishy.
Bro, I will give up. Bro.
Come on. Ask him to give up. Come on.
I will give up.
Really? Finally, after Pakka? 100%?
Okay.
But still you are laughing, man. You can.
No.
You can. You are laughing.
Angry.
No, you are laughing, man.
No. What are you laughing here?
See, actually, he is saying that he is going to quit, but still he is laughing. That's only I am asking. You are still laughing, man. You can.
No. I'm going to drop.
I don't know why he is laughing still. Man, finally you succeeded.
Thank you.
You are going to watch that one for lifetime.
TV?
No.
Mobile phone?
No, you are expecting a lot. I can't afford that much things.
Okay.
I'm going to give quite different. You are going to get lifetime Netflix.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, he's a big addict of watching porns, watching all the things.
Once.
Okay, you're not porns. He's a big addict for web series like this and all.
Yeah.
So it will be very helpful for you.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot.
You think it will be worth for you?
Yeah, quite good.
Quite good, not too good.
Yeah, I expect TV.
Okay, by this video, if it comes a good work, then in future we can make all the things. Okay.
I expecting a Lamborghini from you.
Lamborghini.
Like Mr. Beast.
I can't able to draw it. This is our first try from India, so we are doing with some basic things, whatever we having in our budget, in our home, and that with the basic budget. It's very difficult to compare with Mr. Beast, but still we are inspired from him, and then we are trying to do some things.
Yeah.
In future, Pakka you will get Lamborghini. You will. Say okay, thoda minimum with at least with Maruti Suzuki. Okay. Maruti Suzuki is okay, no? Okay, till that keep watching. Indian Mr. Beast, not Mr. Beast.